drop it.
For 7 years, we've been crafting designs that are more than just products. They're experiences. We started with the most outside-the-box ideas and went on to precision technologies and an engineering approach to production. Everything that we put in a box and ship to you is something that we truly love and enjoy ourselves. This time, we had a fascinating idea of uniting wood textures with electronics to retain a handcrafted feeling of sunlight and nature, but also make it interactive, dynamic, and fun. Beautiful clockwork centerpieces. These are assemble-it-yourself plywood models enhanced with electronics, LED lights, and wooden remote controls. Each has its own character and amazing features. They're all about imagination and bringing back that experience of building something really cool yourself. These are Woodcraft Marvels.